I wake up at 6:30 every morning. I make coffee. I check my phone. I look at the messages from my team.
They're all fine.
They say good job and thank you. Everything looks normal. I leave my house. I take the bus to work. I sit in the same seat. I see the same people. I smile. They smile back. I feel calm. At work, I open my laptop. I start my tasks. I answer emails. I join the team call. I listen. I do not speak much. I always feel the same. My father works in the same building. He is in another office. We share the same elevator. We never talk, not even a small word. It feels normal, but it is not. I remember the first time. It was a year ago. We were both in the kitchen. He looked at me. He did not say hello. I said, "Good morning." He did not answer. He just looked away. After that, I tried again. I said, "How are you?" He did not answer. He walked out. I felt strange, but I told myself, maybe he is busy. Days passed. Weeks passed. He still did not talk. I kept my routine. I kept my work. I kept my calm face. I always go to lunch at 1 o'clock. I eat in the same place. I see my father there sometimes. He sits alone. He looks at his phone.
He does not look at me. He sits far away.
I do not want to be in his way. I do not want to make him uncomfortable. I always think, maybe I did something wrong. Maybe I said the wrong thing. Maybe he is tired. Maybe he is angry. I do not know. I am good at work. My boss says I am reliable. My team likes me. But at home, I feel invisible. I feel like a ghost. No one sees me.
The day goes on.
I work on a report. I write the same sentences again and again. I check my English. I want it to be perfect. I want everyone to understand me. I want no mistakes. My English is okay, but I am afraid to speak. I am afraid to say the wrong words. I am afraid to sound weak. So I stay quiet. In meetings, I listen. I take notes. I understand everything, but I do not speak. I always think, if I speak, I will make a mistake. If I speak, they will judge me. If I speak, they will laugh. So I keep quiet. I always keep quiet. No one asks me. I do not ask myself. I do not say anything. My father is the same. He never asks me how I am. He never says, "I am proud of you." He never says, "Good job." He never says anything. I feel the pressure inside. It is quiet but heavy. It sits in my chest. It makes my breathing slow. It makes my thoughts loud. I try to be normal. I try to smile. I try to work. I try to be okay. But inside, I feel tired. I always tell myself, tomorrow I will talk to him. Tomorrow I will say something. Tomorrow I will be brave. But tomorrow comes, and I do the same. I always say yes. Yes to extra work. Yes to overtime. Yes to tasks I do not like. I say yes because I want to be good. I say yes because I want to be seen. I say yes because I want to be loved. But I am not loved. Not by my father. Not by myself. The pressure grows. It grows slowly, like a small stone in my shoe. Every step hurts, but I keep walking. One afternoon, I am in the elevator. My father is inside. We are alone. The doors close. I feel the air become heavy. My heart starts to beat faster. My hands become warm. I feel a tightness in my chest. My throat becomes dry. I want to say something, but I do not know what. I think, should I say hello? Should I say sorry? Should I say I love you? I do not know the right words. The elevator moves. We pass floors. I keep my eyes down. I keep my mouth closed. My father looks straight ahead. His face is calm, but I know he feels something too. The elevator stops. The doors open. My father steps out. He walks away. I feel a small pain in my chest. It is quiet, but it is real. I go back to my desk. I sit down. My head hurts. My eyes feel heavy. I breathe slowly. I try to calm my body. I look at my phone. I see a message from my friend. She asks, "Are you okay?" I type, "I am fine." I delete it. I type again, "I am not fine." I delete it again. I do not know how to say the truth. I do not know how to say my feelings in English. I do not know how to say them in a simple way. I keep thinking. I think about my father. I think about my fear. I think about my quiet life. I think about how I always hide. Then I remember a simple sentence. I learned it long ago. It is easy. It is not perfect. But it is true. I decide to try. At 5 o'clock, the workday ends. Most people leave. I stay a little longer. I wait near the elevator. My father comes out. He is about to leave. He looks at me for the first time today. My hands are shaking. My heart is loud. My voice is small. I say, "Hello, father."
I try to sound calm. He stops. He looks at me. He does not speak.
I take a deep breath. I say again, "I miss you." My voice shakes. My father's face changes. He looks surprised. He looks sad. He looks like he wants to cry. He does not say anything, but he nods. Just a small nod. It is not a big moment. It is not a big change, but it is the first step. I feel a small relief, a small light in my chest. I feel like I am not alone. I feel like I can breathe again. I go home. I make dinner. I sit at the table. I think about the day. I still have the same fear. I still worry about my English. I still worry about my father. But I know something has changed. I know I can speak. I know I can say a simple sentence. I know I can try again tomorrow. I learned a small lesson today. I do not need perfect English to say the truth. I do not need perfect words to show my feelings. I just need to speak. And I learned another lesson. Silence can be heavy. It can hurt more than words. So I ask you, what is one small sentence you can say today?